Prop Chat, ultimate insights of trading with Sabio.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to Prop Chat, ultimate insights into trading with Sabio. Today we're diving into a question that I know has crossed your mind at least once. How can I turn my small savings into big capital using a prop firm? If you have ever wondered, how can I make my money work harder for me? Or if you're just curious about how a prop firm like Sabio can supercharge your trading journey, you're in the right place. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive in. But before we start, let me introduce our today's guest. Piyush isn't just your average trader. He's a self-made trading pro, he's a mentor to hundreds, and he's a walk-in encyclopedia on all things prop trading. Trust me, you're gonna want to hear what he has to say. After graduation from the university, he owned two businesses, both of which unfortunately failed. He then worked in the sales department of a big company, and then he started trading, finally finding his success. Now, he's a full-time trader with Sabio. He has 2.5 years of experience in this market under his belt, so he also guides many traders to achieve their goals. He's 25, he lives in Lucknow, India. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Piyush Singh. Welcome to the show, sir. How's it going?
Hello, Victor. How are you? And thank you for having me.
Thanks for joining us today. All right, we're starting things off with a fun little game. I'm going to throw some statements about the prop trading world your way, and you just tell me if they're true or false. Ready? All
Yeah,
right.
I'm ready.
Let's go. So the first one. The prop trading industry has grown by 1,264% over the past 7 years. Is it true or is it false?
Yeah, this is true.
All right, yeah, that's correct. The second one. You have to use your own money every time you trade on a prop platform.
No, of course not.
Yep, that's false. You don't have to use your own money. And the third one, Sabio lets you trade in 12 accounts at the same time, each funded with $20,000.
Yeah, this is true.
That's true. The fourth one, if you're new to trading, prop trading is just off limits for you.
No, this is false.
That's false. All right, and the final one, with Sabio, you can customize your trading environment and upload your own scripts.
Exactly. Yes, this is true.
Yep, that's right. So some of those facts might surprise you, right? Especially if you thought that prop trading was only for, the pros or big spenders. Well, spoiler, it's not. And that's exactly what we're going to dig into today. So let's start with some basics, sir. For someone who's hearing about prop trading for the first time, what exactly is it? And to make it even clearer, can you please explain how Sabio fits into this picture?
Okay, so as we all know, if you want to start any kind of business, you need capital, all right? And few years ago, if you want to start trading, you need capital. And when Profirm came into the market, now you have the opportunity, you have the leverage that you can start trading with huge capital of amount. Okay, you don't need a big amount of money. You only have if you have a skill. Okay, you have risk management. You follow your discipline. You follow risk management, and you are a profitable trader. And you're a profitable trader. You can become a funded trader with Sabio Trade. And I think Profirm is the best solution for anyone who have a skill trading and who know how to trade, who know everything about risk management, money management. So yeah, this is very best opportunity for anyone who want to start trading.
Exactly. So let's imagine I'm sitting here with $1,000 in savings, and I have no clue about trading. I'm trying to figure out how to make my money work harder. So should I go solo, risking it all on my own, or maybe should I just turn to a prop trading firm like Sabio? I mean, which path would you recommend and why?
So let's take example. If you have $1,000, okay,
Mm-hmm.
let's say if you invest $1,000 into real money with real broker, whatever you want to say, and now you have to let's say your winning ratio is 50%, and your risk reward is 1:2. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now if you invest $1,000 into real market, now your weekly profit may be close into to $60, $100.
Mm-hmm.
And now let's take second option. Here you have leverage like a Sabio trade prop firm. You invested $100,000. Now you have a leverage of $200,000 account. And if you make here 1 or 2%, which is 1,000 or 2,000, and same risk reward, same risk management, same your winning ratio, you can achieve $7 to $8,000 per week or per month. It depends on you. So I think it depends on how you want to use your money.
Mm-hmm.
It's not, yeah, it's like you have $100 or $1,000. I think let's like this. If you have 24 hour, like everyone have 24 hour, like
Sure.
it
Yeah.
depend on you how you're gonna use that 24 hour. Same like $1,000, everyone have $1,000. Now it depend on you that how you're gonna use that $1,000. You can invest in real market,
Mm-hmm.
which is very risky, and you can invest the prop firm like a Sabio trade, and here you get $200,000 account easy.
Yeah, it sounds easy.
Prop Chat. Ultimate insights of trading with Sabio.
And by the way, for those who listen in, Sabio Academy is packed with value. Everything from webinars and mentorship sessions to exclusive strategies you won't find anywhere else. It's basically like having a treasure chest for traders, whether you are a rookie or a pro.
Prop Chat. Ultimate insights of trading with Sabio.
So, but speaking of prop firms, just let's get real. Why Sabio? I mean, what's the wow factor that makes it stand out? Was it the education, or I don't know, the tools, or something else that drew you in originally?
So Victor, I have experienced many prop firm,
Mm-hmm.
and if you ask me about Sabio Trade not like just giving a real funded account you. Sabio Trade is like they also provide you study material. Okay, there's no prop firm who provide you study material who is not guiding you to how can you pass the assessment account, how to manage risk management, and what is the money management. And Sabio Trade is help you to achieve your goal into prop firm. So I think the wow factor, as you told me, wow factor is also Sabio Trade is they provide you study material, mentorship, and their webinar. It's very great. So yeah.
Let's talk about Sabio Academy. It's not just another boring online course platform, is it? What would you what would you recommend for someone who's, I don't know, who's just starting out? Are there any hidden gems in Sabio Academy that people might not know about?
So the point is, as I told you, is study material. So it's not like a recorded video you need to watch. So it's like we have Sabio would have recorded video, but also there's a mentor called Mark and Oblek. They
Hmm.
also guide you. They also conduct webinar. And if you have any question that you are facing any issue to passing the assessment account or any risk management, or you afraid to execute the trade, so I think the hidden gems is the webinar that conduct every weekend. So I think yeah, this is the best thing I love about Sabio Trade Academy.
All right, let's say that I'm already sold on Sabio. What's the best tariff for me? I mean, how do I choose the right one for my goals?
So first of all, you have to identify what kind of trader you are. Okay,
Hmm.
there are lots of trader. I mean, if you talk about me, I am a day trader. So it depends on you. You have to choose what kind of trader you are. Are you a scalper? Are you day trader? Are you a swing trader? Then choose one strategy that suits you and choose one session that suits you. Okay, so after choosing the session, your strategy, and your the what kind of trader you are,
Hmm.
then execute the same strategy on the market, back tested that strategy. And yes, mentorship program always help you. So take help of mentorship program.
Okay, but just let's be honest here. We've all made mistakes, right? But if you could go back to when you first started trading, what's that one mistake that you would avoid at all costs? And what's one thing that you tell yourself to do differently?
So my biggest mistake is my only focus was to make more money because
Mm-hmm.
everyone when come into trading market they all want to make money, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I also forced myself to take a trade because I really want to make money. And when I force myself to execute the trade, I just execute like stupid trades, and I don't know about the reason behind the why I execute the trade, why I just took a buy or took a sell. So my biggest challenge or mistake, you can say that over trading and over risking, and yeah, sometime when I execute here and let's say my stop loss here, and when I execute here my TP is here, if price hit my stop loss, then I was like, okay, price hit my stop loss and let's go for sell. So price goes down, hit my SL, and then
Mm-hmm.
go up again. So this type of mistake I've done a lot. So
All right.
yeah.
So you've shared so much knowledge today, but let's leave our listeners with a bit of inspiration for anyone who's listening and watching and thinking, "Can I really do this?" What would you say to them?
Okay, so first of all, if you want to become successful in trading journey,
Mm-hmm.
you have to keep this mind that you don't need to focus on money. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you only have to focus on your risk management. You only need to focus on the rules you make for yourself. So I think if you want to become successful, just focus on your rules.
Mm-hmm.
Don't focus on your portfolio. Don't focus on how much you are going to make, how much you are going to lose. If you lose today, it's okay. If you make profit today, it's okay. So be calm in every situation
Mm-hmm.
and just focus on one strategy, one session, and one pair. Then you will see the growth.
All right. So let's switch gears and talk about the heart of Sabio, its community. You work closely with Sabio traders, I believe, every day, right? And you know their
Yeah.
concerns and challenges better than anyone else. Could you please could you please share some of the most interesting cases you've come across while helping them? Maybe I don't know, maybe a time when you solved a tricky situation, or maybe helped someone achieve a breakthrough.
So there's a trader who just joined Sabio Trade, and he was very motivated,
Mm-hmm.
and he don't even know how to read candlestick, how to read chart. So
Mm-hmm.
I recommend him to join Sabio Trade mentorship, and he also joined mentorship program, and now he's funded with $20,000 account.
Mm-hmm.
And last week he withdraw $400 from his real money. So I think this is the best case I have ever seen in the Sabio Trade community.
Great, great. Thank you for your job, sir. Also, what's the vibe like in the Sabio community? Are they friendly? Are they motivated? What's the vibe like?
So they are very friendly
Uh huh.
nature, and they're helping each other. If there any beginner come into our community, they just start guiding them
Mm-hmm.
that how can you start trading, what the mistake you are doing. So I think community is great. They're very beautiful, and they help each other a lot.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I think the best community I've ever seen.
Great. That's nice to know. And the final question: what steps do you personally take to help our community grow and thrive, sir?
Okay, so if you ask me that, there are some trader
Mm-hmm.
who just started their career. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so I told them that if you are afraid to executing the trade, if you don't know how to trade, you just write down here and tell what the reason behind your setup, what the
Mm-hmm.
reason behind you execute the trade, what the mistake you are doing today. So after doing this, you will see the growth because you are transparent with other trader. If you do any mistake, then other trader will help you
Mm-hmm.
to how can you become a better trader. So this is the thing I initiate in this community.
All right, let's wrap things up with a quick little game. I'm going to say Sabio is the prop firm that, and you just finish the sentence. All right?
Okay.
So Sabio is the prop firm that.
That provide you leverage to become a rich trader. Yeah, I think this is the best.
Great, thank you. That's wise worded. So I guess that's it, sir. I'd like to personally thank you for your time and for the wisdom that you generously shared with us tonight. We're wishing you the absolute best in your trading with Sabio, and we're looking forward to talking to you again about your future success. So, ladies and gentlemen, one of the best Sabio traders and the man who knows how you can turn your small savings into big capital with a good prop firm, Mr. Piyush Singh. Thank you, sir. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Prop Chat. Ultimate insights of trading with Sabio.
And that's a wrap on today's episode of Prop Chat. Huge thanks to Piyush for sharing his insights and his stories. So if you're ready to start trading smarter, not harder, check out Sabio. And don't forget to explore Sabio Academy to sharpen your skills and join one of the best trading communities out there. So until next time, stay curious, stay focused, and keep crushing those trading goals. And by the way, it's still a very good day for trading. Just think about it. See you very soon.